Here's where you can find the hidden feature known as back tap, how to set it up, and how it actually works. This is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone, the Chinese phone with a global ROM installed on it. Let's get started. When you're ready to find this feature, simply use the quick panel access, and with HyperOS, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the settings toggle here as the fastest way to the main settings. Once in this section here, you will want to go ahead and type in the words back tap. So go ahead and use this, type this in, back tap. And as you do that, you're going to see the suggestions show up for you right there. Once you're there, as you tap on it, it's going to take you exactly to where you need to go next. So for starters, you'll see double tap and then the triple tap there. When you select here, you basically are choosing what the double tap will do. And there is so many options that you'll kind of want to choose the one that you really need to do, okay? So for example, for the double tap, maybe I want double tap to perhaps take a screenshot. And this is going to be kind of similar to iPhones. And then the triple tap is going to be perhaps just take me to the calculator. And this is just to give it a shot, okay? Now, you are going to double tap in this area here, like right where the camera area is. So if I double tap it, and it's going to be kind of a hit and miss at first. So it's like a, all right. And you'll see how it kind of takes a while to respond, but it did take the screenshot for me. Okay. So it's like a 1-2 kind of thing, like, all right. And it's going to perform the screenshot for me. All right. Now the triple tap here, we're going to triple tap. So it's going to be like 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be like a 1, 2, 3. And notice how it took me to the calculator. And this is my first time turning on the calculator here. So I'll just go ahead and close this out just so you can try it out for yourself and see. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. And that's how it works. Okay, so once you get the right rhythm to it, you will be able to use that back tap to your advantage. And of course, if you don't like that, you can always come back and set it to none. All right, so just leave it to none if you don't want it for both. And that's that. Like and sub.